Hi friends, welcome back! Let's learn about insects today using Play-Doh. Do you know what shape this is? If you guessed the ladybug, you're correct. Let's begin with our black Play-Doh so that we can create the ladybug's body. Our shape cutter will be used to outline the ladybug's body. Let's get the extra Play-Doh out of the way. This is perfect, the outline of a ladybug. Ladybugs do come in a few colors, but we're going to make our ladybug red. We're going to use our shape cutter again so that the ladybug's wings are perfect. Great job, my friends! And now to cut out our wings. They fit perfectly! Good job! Let's add black spots to our ladybug. Thank you for lending an extra helping hand. We did it! Of course, boys and girls, our ladybug will need 2 eyes. And we're done! This looks amazing! Boys and girls, you can find ladybugs that are yellow, orange, or red. They are nice and bright so that other animals stay away. Boys and girls, the next insect we're going to make is a winged insect. That means that it can fly. Can you guess what this is? You're right! It's a bee! Let's add its famous yellow stripes. We're going to get rid of all the extra Play-Doh and only keep the parts that we need. Now, let's include the bee's wings. And let's separate the 2 wings using a black line. Finally, let's add the eye. Bees are amazing insects. They have 6 legs, 2 pairs of wings, and 5 eyes. The honeybee is the only insect on Earth that produces food for humans. Boys and girls, let's work together to create a creepy, crawly insect. You guessed it! It's the inchworm. The inchworm comes in many shapes and sizes. It can be green, brown, or black, and some have spots, stripes, or even patterns. The inchworm that we're making today is light brown. Now that we've added the eyes and the mouth, let's just add a little bit more detail. That looks great! When an inchworm wants to move around, they use the tiny legs at the front of their body and their stomach muscles to pull the back of the body along. They do this over and over again to get from one place to the next. Finally, my friends, what shape do you see? You're right! This is the shape of a butterfly. We're going to make our butterfly purple today. This looks great! Now, let's add some black for our butterfly's body. As we create the shape, we're just going to get rid of all the extra Play-Doh that we don't need. Good job, boys and girls! Now, let's add our butterfly's eyes and some details on its wings. Let's add a little bit more color to our butterfly to make it extra special. Boys and girls, I think our purple butterfly is complete. What do you think? Boys and girls, butterflies come in many colors. But the most popular purple butterfly is called the emperor butterfly. This large, beautiful butterfly is known for spending most of its time on top of trees. Therefore, if you want to take a look at this one, you better get your binoculars out. Boys and girls, learning about insects with you was so much fun. Thank you for joining me today. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.